Have you ever felt a bit puffy or noticed your ankles seem swollen? It can be more than just uncomfortable. It might be a subtle signal from your body, often linked to how well your kidneys are working. Many people reach for quick fixes, but what if we told you there was a gentle, natural way to help your body release excess fluid and support those vital kidneys? Today, we're going to explore 5 of the most powerful natural diuretics, explaining how each one works, their potential benefits, and important considerations for safe and effective use. Number 1. Dandelion. Dandelion, often seen as a common weed, has a long history in traditional medicine as a powerful natural diuretic. What makes it so effective is its rich potassium content. Unlike some pharmaceutical diuretics that can deplete the body's essential potassium, dandelion helps to increase urine output while maintaining a healthy electrolyte balance. This makes it a gentler option for managing fluid retention. Scientific research supports dandelion's traditional use. Studies have shown its efficacy in increasing the frequency and volume of urination, directly contributing to the reduction of water retention. These studies often highlight how dandelion extracts influence kidney function to encourage the removal of excess fluid without significantly altering the body's mineral balance, a common concern with stronger diuretic medications. You can incorporate dandelion into your routine in several forms. Dandelion tea, made from the leaves or roasted roots, is a popular and soothing option. Extracts and capsules are also available for a more concentrated dose. Now, a quick word of caution. Always be mindful of potential allergic reactions when considering dandelion, especially if you're sensitive to plants in the daisy family. And it's always a good idea to chat with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, particularly if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. As we explore more natural options, prepare to be surprised by the next powerful plant on our list. Number 2. Horsetail. Horsetail, an ancient herbal remedy, offers a fascinating approach to managing swelling and water retention. Its mechanism of action is often compared to certain pharmaceutical diuretics, but with a key difference. It appears to carry a lower risk of potassium loss, which is a significant advantage. This unique action helps the body eliminate excess fluid while better preserving crucial electrolyte levels, making it a valuable natural alternative. Research indicates that horsetail can effectively increase urine output and reduce fluid accumulation, positively impacting both swelling and urinary frequency. Its natural compounds work with the kidneys to promote the excretion of water and sodium, thereby alleviating the discomfort associated with fluid retention. Many users report a noticeable difference in their overall comfort and a reduction in puffiness when incorporating horsetail into their wellness routine. Despite its benefits, it is important to exercise caution with horsetail. Individuals with diabetes or kidney disease should be particularly careful and always consult their doctor before use, as it can interact with certain conditions or medications. Furthermore, horsetail is generally recommended for short-term use rather than prolonged consumption. This ensures safety and maximizes its effectiveness without potential long-term side effects. Now, let's discover how a common garden plant can also support your heart and kidneys. Number 3. Hawthorn. Hawthorn, a small berry-producing tree, has been revered for centuries in both historical and current practices for its profound impact on circulatory and kidney health. Beyond its well-known cardiovascular benefits, hawthorn also plays a significant role in reducing fluid buildup throughout the body. Its compounds support the heart's pumping efficiency, which in turn can lead to better circulation and less fluid retention, a common issue in various health conditions. Key clinical findings further support hawthorn's efficacy in promoting urine production and alleviating edema. Studies indicate that it can enhance kidney function, encouraging the kidneys to filter and excrete excess water more effectively. This gentle yet powerful action helps to reduce swelling, particularly in the extremities, contributing to greater comfort and improved overall well-being. Hawthorn works synergistically with the body's natural processes, making it a favored choice for those seeking natural support. Hawthorn generally boasts an excellent safety profile, making it a widely used herbal remedy. It is commonly available in various forms, including teas, tinctures, and capsules, offering flexible options for consumption. However, it is crucial to be aware of potential drug interactions, especially if you are taking medications for heart conditions or blood pressure, as Hawthorn can amplify their effects. Always consult a healthcare professional before combining Hawthorn with any prescribed drugs. Next, let's explore a juicy summer fruit that's more than just a refreshing treat. Number 4, watermelon. Watermelon is more than just a refreshing summer fruit. It's a natural powerhouse for reducing swelling and supporting kidney function. Its incredibly high water content, typically over 90%, naturally promotes hydration and encourages frequent urination, which helps flush out excess fluids from the body. Beyond its water content, watermelon contains the unique amino acid L-Citrulline, which is converted into L-arginine in the body. This process enhances the production of nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax blood vessels, thereby improving circulation and making it easier for the kidneys to filter and remove fluids efficiently. Watermelon also boasts an impressive nutrient package that further supports its diuretic properties and overall kidney health. It's a good source of potassium, an essential electrolyte that balances fluid levels and counteracts sodium, preventing water retention. Additionally, it provides vitamins A and C, which are powerful antioxidants that protect kidney cells from damage and support their optimal function. The combined effect of these nutrients helps to reduce swelling, promote healthy urine output, and support the kidneys in their vital role of detoxification. Incorporating watermelon into your diet is simple and delicious. You can enjoy it fresh, add it to smoothies, or even make refreshing watermelon juice. While generally safe and beneficial, individuals with diabetes should consume watermelon in moderation due to its natural sugar content, monitoring their blood sugar levels closely. For our final natural diuretic, we turn to a common crunchy vegetable that holds surprising power for your kidneys. Number 5, celery. Celery, often relegated to a crunchy snack, possesses remarkable properties as a natural diuretic that significantly aids hydration and efficient kidney filtration. Both celery stalks and celery juice have been widely explored for their ability to promote the excretion of excess water from the body. This effect is attributed to compounds within celery that gently stimulate kidney activity, encouraging them to filter blood more effectively and increase urine production, which helps alleviate swelling. The benefits of celery extend beyond just increasing urine output. Regular consumption has been linked to supporting healthy blood pressure levels, partly due to its mild diuretic action that helps reduce fluid volume in the blood vessels. Furthermore, celery contributes to liver support, assisting this vital organ in its detoxification processes. By promoting better kidney and liver function, celery plays a dual role in maintaining overall fluid balance and internal cleansing. For best results, incorporating fresh celery or celery juice into your daily routine is recommended. Juicing celery concentrates its beneficial compounds, making it a potent natural remedy. While celery is generally safe for most individuals, it's important to be aware of possible allergy risks, especially for those sensitive to other plants in the carrot family. As we round out our top picks, remember that nature offers many gentle helpers for your health, others supporting natural diuretics. Beyond our top 5, several other natural diuretics can play a supportive role in reducing swelling and supporting kidney health. Asparagus, for instance, is well known for its diuretic effects, often noticeable soon after consumption. Hibiscus tea is another excellent option, valued for its ability to lower blood pressure and promote fluid excretion. Juniper berries, traditionally used in herbal medicine, are potent diuretics that support urinary tract health. Grapes, with their high water content and antioxidants, contribute to kidney cleansing, while lemons are frequently praised for their detoxifying properties and ability to encourage fluid elimination. These natural options can be considered as effective alternatives or excellent additions to your routine, offering diverse ways to manage fluid balance naturally. How natural diuretics work and when to use them. Natural diuretics primarily work by encouraging the kidneys to excrete more sodium and water, thereby increasing urine output and relieving fluid buildup. They achieve this through various compounds that gently stimulate kidney filtration and blood flow. These natural remedies are best suited for addressing mild water retention, such as swelling from long periods of standing or minor dietary imbalances, and are not intended for serious disease-level edema. Always consult with healthcare providers before use, especially if you have persistent swelling or suspect an underlying health condition. Potential risks and precautions. While natural, these diuretics are not without potential risks and require careful consideration. They are generally contraindicated during pregnancy and for individuals with existing kidney disease, as they can exacerbate conditions or interfere with medical treatments. Combining natural diuretics with prescription medications, especially those for blood pressure or heart conditions, can lead to dangerous interactions. It is crucial to practice moderation, continuously monitor electrolyte balance, and strictly avoid long-term unsupervised use to prevent dehydration or mineral imbalances. Natural diuretics can be valuable allies in relieving swelling and supporting kidney health when chosen and used wisely. They offer a gentle yet effective approach to managing fluid balance. However, it is paramount to prioritize your safety and well-being. Always consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications, to ensure safe and effective outcomes tailored to your individual needs.